Hi everyone, welcome to Atharva e-learning. So today I am going to explain about the screening effect or shielding effect. Both are same. So it is also one of the effect like ionization enthalpy or ionization energy, electronegativity, electron gain enthalpy likewise. So those are all the periodicity of the periodic table. Those are depends on the electronic configuration of the element. Likewise, screening effect is also depends on the electronic configuration. So in this video I am going to explain about this concept. So I will consider the atom. So at the center nucleus is present and then electrons revolving in a various orbitals around the nucleus. Okay, this is a atom. So here nucleus is present, here electron is present, so here also electron is present. So if we are consider the example of hydrogen, it is having a electronic configuration of 1s1. So it contain one electron in a s shell. So because in this orbital s shell is contain only one electron. If you are considering the another atom, so helium, so it will contain the 1s2, it will contain 2 electron. So if you are considering the s orbital, if you are coming to that one, so it is having a 1 electron. So in the hydrogen atom, in the case of helium, it contains 2 electron. Likewise, to explain this effect, I will take the example of d block element, that is a titanium. So it is having a atomic number of 22, means it contain 22 valence, 22 electrons. So means its electronic configuration is a argon 3d2 4s2. So in this concept, so it is a argon, it is a noble gas, it is having a fully filled electronic configuration. Instead of writing the full electronic configuration, I will consider the noble gas argon here. So it is a valence electronic configuration. So valence electronic configuration means, so valence orbital contain these many electrons. So it is how it will be, so like d orbital, if we are considering the d orbital, so d having a 2 electrons, 1 and 2. So s contain 2 electrons. So it is an electronic configuration of titanium. If you are considering the vanadium, so it is having argon 3d 3 4s2. So how it will be the orbitals, how it will be electrons filled in orbitals, so that is like 1 2 3. So why it will be like this? Because so we know that the rule, firstly every orbital should be singly occupied by electrons, then it is getting paired up. So it is a s orbital, it is having a 2 electrons. Likewise, if you are going to the titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, so number of electrons are increases. So means every electron singly occupied by these 5 orbitals, then they are getting paired up. Okay, so see here, so it is a generally atom, so it is having a many orbitals. Just imagine, so here 3 orbitals are there. So here the electron is present, here also electron present, here also, here also, here also. So these electrons, we know that, so these electrons are revolving around the nucleus in an orbital, that is due to the force of attraction existed by the nucleus. So this electron is attracted by nucleus. Okay, So also this electron is also attracted by the nucleus. There is a force of attraction exists between the nucleus and the electron. So what happens? So screening. So what is the meaning of screening? If here one person is there, someone is coming to beat him, so at that extent another person will enter in between these two, means he is screens. So what happen, there is a direct force or a direct act exists between the this one and this one will be decreases. Likewise here the force of attraction exists between the nucleus and the electron will be decreases when the number of electrons, external electrons will be added to this place. So at that extent what will happen, here also electron present, here also electron present, in between they are having the same charge, so repulsion will be there. So because of that reason, because of this repulsion, the force of attraction will be decreases. So if the here one electron is added in the case of what, vanadium. Okay. If you are coming to the chromium, another electron will be coming, so at that extent what will happen, there is a more electrons present in this shell, there is a more repulsion exists between the valence electrons and these electrons. So because of that reason, force of attraction between the nucleus and the electron will be decreases. So now the definition of the screening effect will be, so this is an effect of decrease the force of attraction between the nucleus and the valence electron, that is due to the adding up of electron to the inner orbitals. So this is regarding the screening effect or shielding effect. Thank you everyone. If you like the video, subscribe this one and like this one.